Hey guys, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you the products that I got from B&M Naturals. Sino nga ba or ano nga ba si B&M Naturals sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa kanila? B&M Naturals crafts all natural products that can be used by both male and female. Its namesake acronym stands for Venus and Mars. So B&M Naturals, an all-Filipino company that produces essential skincare offerings from the finest oils and herbs for an all-natural experience, sparing you from the danger of toxic chemicals like sulfates, surfactants, alcohol, sugar solutions, or parabens. B&M Naturals essential oils are 100% made of premium oil recipes. Inspired by age-old beauty rituals, you can actually personally concoct your special mix of skincare oils for a smooth, clear, and soft skin. The first items that I'll be showing with you is B&M Naturals Bare Skin Emu Skin Perfecting Kit. So this is what the kit looks like. And when you open it, this is the products that are included in the kit. Ang sabi, I'm glad we've met. You can stop reading now. Use me already. And sa loob niya, ito ang maganda. Sabi, thank you for your order. This order made our day. We hope it brighten yours. Sabi, isa-isay natin siya. It includes Pure Plush Emu Skin Perfecting Soap. So, ito siya. Pure Plush Soap. So, this is the Pure Plush Emu Skin Perfecting Soap. Ang sabi, gently cleanses dry and sensitive skin and helps improve the appearance of skin from severe allergies. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Malaki siya, makapal siya. Next is the Witch Hazel Oil Control Toner. So, toner naman. So, ito si Witch Hazel Oil Control Toner. Okay. So, ang sabi, si Witch Hazel Oil Control Toner, it naturally cleanses, firms, and tightens oily skin and removes acne blemishes. Next one, and definitely not the least, the Emu Oil. So, ito ang pinakasikat na Emu Oil. Actually, guys, this is the first time that I'll be trying all of their products. Ang sabi, si Emu Oil helps repair damage caused by severe acne, dandruff, skin allergies, burns, and wounds. Ayan. So, ito si Emu Oil. Alright. And alam ko, tingnan natin na. Meron kasi akong nakita sa Instagram. Ang sabi, Emu Oil is a 100% natural oil that gently but effectively hydrates and regenerates the skin. It works as a first aid solution and should be an essential staple for every home. Who can use it? Infants to elderly. Skin problems it can help resolve: acne, psoriasis, skin asthma, eczema, rosacea, dermatitis, dandruff, stretch marks, varicose veins, insect bites, scars, wounds and burns, sagging skin, and enlarged pores. And how to use it? Gently massage 2 to 3 small drops into affected area to improve condition of the skin. Apply morning and night for best results. So, this is what the Bare Skin Emu Skin Perfecting Kit. And ito, meron din siyang directions for you. So, first, create a beach lather of Pure Plush Emu Skin Perfecting Soap and massage into face. So, ito yung first natin. Second, rinse and dry. So, our third step is this. Ang sabi, dispense Witch Hazel Oil Control Toner onto cotton pad and apply gently all over face in an upward motion, excluding under eye area. And fourth step, gently massage 2 to 3 drops of Emu Oil onto face and target problem areas like pimples and allergies. Apply morning and night. Okay. Meron din siyang Self-Care 101 na card. Sabi, write a journal. Nourish your body. Connect with nature. Move your body. Rest and recharge. And of course, skincare. Alright. So, yun ang Bare Skin Emu Skin Perfecting Kit. In case you guys are wondering, ano bang mas magandang bilhin? Mas maganda ba siyang bilhin na per product? Or mas maganda bang bilhin itong nakakit na? Well, of course, I would suggest na bumili na lang kayo nitong kit. Bakit? Kasi malaki ang madi-discount ninyo kapag bumili kayo ng kit. And if you guys are wondering lang, magkano ba itong Bare Skin Perfecting Kit na to? So, this kit cost 1,199 for the price of the 3 products that I have shown you. Magkano ba? Kung iisa-isahin natin, tandaan nyo guys ha, ang isang kit is 1,199. Magkano nga ba pag binili nyo siya per product or per piece? Let's see. Emu Oil, well, this is actually a 10 ml, but they are actually selling the Emu Oil per piece of 30 ml, which is 1,370 pesos. Okay, for the Pure Plush, this one, Pure Plush, it's the Emu Skin Perfecting Soap, 135 grams. This is 299 pesos per soap. And the last one, this, the Witch Hazel Oil Control Toner, which is 100 ml. This costs 335 pesos. Ayan. So, yun yung mga individual prices nila. Kung gusto nyong bilhin is per item or per product, per piece. The next product that I'll be sharing with you is from another kit. Yes, it's from the Glow Up Emo Brightening Kit. So, ang laman ni Glow Up Kit ay iba versus kay Bare Skin Kit. Ito na siya. So, pagbukas natin, yan. Okay. So, meron ulit thank you card, inclusions, and directions for use. Okay. So, ang sabi, it includes Clear Rosy Emo Brightening Cellulose Scrub. So, ito siya. Mahaba. Ang haba ng pangalan niya. Sabi, this is the Clear Rosy Emo Brightening Cellulose Scrub. So, ito naman, ang sabi, the powerful combination of Emu Oil and natural cellulose instantly scrubs off stubborn white and black heads and dark spots while leaving skin smooth and moisturized. Okay. The next item that we got is the Lulur CPC+G Intense Emu Glow Bar. Also, ito siya, sabon din. This one. Ang sabi, it effectively targets severe acne on face and body while intensely brightening dark spots. And the last but not the least item is the CPC+G Intense Brightening Vitamin Oil. So, ito malaki siya. 30 ml ang kasamang CPC+G oil. So, ang sabi, it effectively brightens dark spots and corrects uneven skin tone. So, yun ang tatlong laman ng ating Glow Up Emo Brightening Kit. Directions for use. So, first, syempre the soap, cleanse with Lulur CPC+G Intense Emo Glow Bar. Next, gently scrub ample amount of clear, rosy Emu Brightening Cellulose Scrub on damp skin. Massage in a circular motion, excluding under eye area. Use twice a week. So, ito twice a week siya. Rinse thoroughly. Next, here, lather. So, ito, nag-cleanse muna tayo ng Emu Glow Bar. Next, twice a week, ginagamit tong si scrub. After that, ang sabi, lather, Lulur, CPC+G, Intense Emu Glow Bar onto face and body. Okay, rinse and dry. And the last step is mildly massage 2 to 3 drops of CPC+G oil onto face and target problem areas like dark, uneven skin tone. Apply morning and night. So, twice a day then, ginagamit si CPC+G oil. Alright. Ngayon, kung si bare skin is 1,199 per kit, magkano naman kaya per kit si Glow Up Emo Brightening Kit? Well, actually, itong kit na ito ay mas mura. This kit, which contains 3 different products, costs 988 pesos. So, for the price of this kit na 988 pesos, you'll be getting the 3 products that I have shown you. Ngayon, magkano nga ba ang price per product? The CPC+G oil na 30 ml is 350 pesos only. Next one, the cellulose scrub or si Clear Rosy, 100 grams is 355 pesos. And the last item na kasama dito sa kit is this Lulur CPC+G Intense Emo Glow Bar, 135 grams. This is 299 pesos only. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, I would suggest na bumili kayo ng kit. Bakit? Kasi mas makakamura kayo versus bibilin nyo yung individual product. Actually, I got one bare skin perfecting kit and I also got 2 glow up kits para may reserva na agad. Kasi as far as I know, madaling maubos or madaling out of stock yung mga products ni B&M Naturals. Kaya nung IG live sila, maraming nag-hoard ng kanilang products, lalo na nung mga soap. So since this is the first time that I'll be trying and I'll be using the products from B&M Naturals, nag-try na ako na hindi naman sa mag-hoard, pero bumili ng reserve. So, mas curious ako dito sa Glow Up Kit. So, dalawa yung binili ko for this Glow Up Kit. And aside from the kits na binili ko, I also got this B&M Naturals Under Armour Emo Brightening Deodorant. Okay, so it's 50 ml. Naturally helps detoxify unpleasant body odors and effectively brightens and smoothens the underarm. So, display siya. And this 50 ml bottle costs 395 pesos only. Ang maganda sa products nila, you don't need to use them na maramihan. Like, konting drops lang, konting spray lang, okay na siya. So, ibig sabihin, for example, for this 50 ml, matagal mo na siyang magagamit. And guys, kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa prices per product ni B&M Naturals, hindi siya on the cheaper side. But it is on the affordable side. For testimonies, client feedbacks regarding the effectiveness ng products na binili nila from B&M Naturals, you may search it online or go to their Instagram page that is at B&M Naturals. So, makikita nyo doon yung mga client feedbacks and then actually magandang mag-visit every now and then sa kanilang IG page kasi marami kang matututunan. Like si Emu Oil. It's the first time na narinig ko siya. And akala ko like it's for the acne lang or for the skin lang. Pero as I told you earlier, marami siyang nagagamot ng mga skin problems like yung mga psoriasis, pwede din siya sa mga dandruff, pwede din siya sa mga stretch marks. So, it's like a miracle oil, sabi nga nila, diba? And as far as I know, their products are suitable for all ages, like for infants up to the elderly, and actually they are both for men and women. So, all gender pwedeng gumamit ng lahat ng products nila. So, that's it for today's video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and may mga natutunan kayo sa mga products na shinare ko about B&M Naturals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below kung ano yung mga B&M Natural products na ginagamit niyo na or excited kayong gamitin or i-try pa lang katulad ko. See you guys on my next video. Bye!